Now we will speak about where we are able to use conditions. So, for example, I love movies, so I like going to the cinema. So I will print something like welcome to the cinema. It's an ordinary print, nothing special here. Welcome to the cinema, okay? But now I will ask a visitor about his student status. So I would like to know if the visitor is a student or he isn't or she isn't. Okay, so input, because it will be ordinary string, so input it's enough. Are you a student? Yes, no. And I would like to have the answer on the next line, so I will write here /n, and if I will run it, it means the answer will be on the next line. Okay, so it isn't behind here, behind no. Okay, so or next to no. Okay, so it's okay. I will write, for example, yes, and that's it. So here in the student status, in this variable, there will be yes or no value, and I will ask if student status is equal to yes. Don't forget, we need two equals, not only one. One means take yes and save it to the student status. Okay, so one equal means that you want the result store in the variable. Okay, so we need two equals. Okay, if student status is yes, print, for example, your price is $4. Else, it means if you are not a student, print your price is $6, for example. Okay, so now we can try. So if the student status is yes, it means this condition is true. We will print this line. If the student status is no, so the visitor isn't a student, so status student is equal to yes, it's false, right? Because no is equal to yes, it's false, and we will print this line. Your price is $6. Okay, I will run it. Oh, just a second, I will clear it. So, welcome to the cinema. Are you a student? Yes or no? And I will write yes. Your price is $4. Sorry. Okay, it works. Welcome to the cinema. Are you a student? Yes, no. I will write no. And your price is $6. Okay, it goes perfect.